Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to my adventure room. Here, we can use our imagination and learn at the same time. That's right. Today, we're gonna go back to Debbie Dime's magical kitchen. Do you remember Debbie Dime? She's a really good friend of mine, and she makes the most delicious food you've ever tasted. And today, we're gonna make pizzas. How cool is that? Have you had a pizza before? Then you know how delicious they are. You can put anything you want on them. You can make your very own pizza. Tomatoes, or mushrooms, or pepperoni, or even pineapples. Whatever you want, you can make it your own. So, we're gonna go to Debbie Dime's magical kitchen and make some pizzas. I'm so excited. She's amazing. Okay, but first, let's do our magic laces. You know, 1 and 2. Yay, that's so exciting. Wow, it's like I can already smell the pizza. I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready to go through that magic door? Let's do it. Let's go. Whoa, we're here in Debbie Dime's kitchen. Let's say hi. Hi, Debbie Dime. Oh, it's so good to see you. I love coming here to Debbie Dime's kitchens. So, what are we gonna do today?
I think we're gonna make pizza.
Pizza? That's so cool. Have you ever had pizza before? It's so delicious, and you can make it with whatever you like. Pizza's from a place called Italy. That's a country in Europe. So, what should we do first?
Well, don't you think we should get
Our aprons.
Yes.
Yes, that's so fun. Okay,
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Okay,
Wow.
we're ready to make some pizza. So, what should we do first?
the first thing we need to do is to preheat our oven to 425.
Cool, let's do that.
Again, you might need a grown-up's help. Being around an oven is very hot and you want to be safe.
It's always good to ask for help.
So 425 and start.
Awesome, so exciting. What do we do now?
Let's wash our hands. We
Yes.
want to make sure we're nice and clean when we're preparing food.
It's so important to wash your hands so you don't get sick. Here, let's wash them. I think we're ready to make our pizza. What do we do first?
Well, the first thing we're going to do, Jimmy Dime, is we're going to start with the pizza crust.
Cool.
Now, what I did, like anybody can do, is get pre-made crust from your local grocery store. Makes it so easy.
Awesome. What do we do first
So
then?
you take yours and I'll take mine.
Okay.
And this is a perfect quantity for one pizza.
Oh, it feels so good.
Yes, it does, and you stretch it out.
Fun. We get to stretch it out. Look at
Maybe
that.
throw it up a bit.
So fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try.
You try. Throw it up.
Should I try to throw it? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You did it!
I did it. Look it. It's stretching out.
Yeah, when it stretches out, you just kind of want to make roughly a circle
This is
on
so
your pan.
cool.
And I would spray your pan with some just, spray, grease, oil, whatever, and just so that it doesn't stick afterwards.
Awesome.
So then we just stretch it out.
Making pizza
Nice
is so
and
much
even.
fun. Okay. Okay.
Keep stretching till you get to the end.
Stretch it out.
Maybe make a little lip there so it'll hold the ingredients in.
Okay.
You have
All
to
around.
work this for a while.
Hey, look.
Oh,
The pizza is a circle.
it
That's
is
so
a
cool.
Circle. Now we're getting close. Perfect, Jimmy Dime. What a beautiful pizza dough.
Thanks. Okay, does that look good?
That is perfect. So we finished this step.
Okay, what's next?
The next step is to get all the ingredients we need to make a pizza pie.
Wow, that's so cool. We get to make our own pizza. Are you ready to see what we're gonna put in it? Okay, let's go. Okay, now we made the dough for our pizza. What do we do next?
So now we're gonna start putting all the ingredients on it.
So cool.
First, we're gonna start with the tomato sauce, which is made out of tomatoes.
Wow.
You know, Jimmy Dum, I grow these in my garden.
You have a garden?
I have a garden, and I grow tomatoes and peppers, all kinds of things.
Wow, that's so cool. Do you have a garden? Cool. Okay, what do we do next?
So let's start with spreading some tomato sauce on the bottom of your dough, your pan.
Okay. Do you want to do it first and then I'll just follow
Okay,
you?
I'll show you. I take usually it all depends on how much, because everybody makes their own pizza the way they like it. So I like a lot of sauce. So I'm going to put 4 blobs, and I'm just going to spread it around, kind of from the inside out, right to the edges.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh, and the sauce is so good. There we go.
Very cool. Can I try?
Now you try.
Okay, so 4.
However many you like. If you
1.
like lots of sauce, put 4. If you like less, put 2.
2.
Your choice.
That's so fun. 3 and 4. And now for the fun part. Spread it all around.
Oh, that's perfect, Jimmy Dime.
So much fun. Okay, now that we have our sauce, what do we do next?
Well, the next thing I use, do you like mushrooms?
I do, yes.
So do I. So the next thing I would do is sprinkle some mushrooms. You slice them nice and thin. Now, when you're slicing and chopping vegetables, make sure you have an adult with you to help, because knives are very sharp. So I just sprinkle however many mushrooms I might want. And I kind of like mushrooms, so I'm going to put a little extra.
That's so fun. I'll put some too, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what's next?
That's perfect. So the next thing I think I would put on would be different kinds of meats. Now we have ham, we have pepperoni. So if you just like pepperoni or you just like ham, you put your favorite on.
Cool.
Okay, but before we put the meat, let's sprinkle a little bit of cheese. And this is mozzarella cheese. It's especially made for pizza.
Wow, it's starting to look like a pizza already. Can I put on some too?
Yes, put some. And if you like lots of cheese, then you put lots of cheese. I think I'm going to put an extra sprinkle too.
Okay, let me put some more here.
Okay.
Is that good?
That is perfect. So now, I like pepperoni. I make a circle. I start putting them all around. And if you like pepperoni, you can start too.
Sure, I want to try everything.
I put them all in a circle.
It's like we're making a nice little pattern on our pizza.
Piece of art.
It's so fun.
That's right.
All around. I'm going to put mine all around the edge.
Yes.
There. And there.
Oh yeah, see how nice? Oh, this is going to be so
And I'm going to put some in the middle. Right there and there. And 2 more.
And do you like ham?
Yeah, why not?
I'll take a piece of ham or 2 and put it on there as well.
Look at our pizza. It's so fun.
Wow.
There and there. Okay, what's next?
Now for some vegetables. Look at these. Look at all the colors.
Wow. What are they?
These are peppers. Red bell peppers, yellow, orange, and green.
Look at all the colors. That's so cool. And in the middle?
That's an onion.
An onion.
Thinly sliced onion, in case you like onions on your pizza.
Very cool. Can we put it on our pizza?
Let's put it on.
Let's do it. A yellow one here. And orange over here. And some green.
And I find that all these pretty much taste the same. Just a little bit some are sweeter than others.
There we go. And some onion in the middle.
Sprinkle of onions in there.
Look at how good my pizza looks.
Yeah.
I'll put little ones all right there.
There we go.
Awesome. Okay, what's next?
So, some people like pineapple on their pizza. Some like ham and pineapple pizza. I kind of like everything. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of pineapple on mine too.
Let's do it.
Oh, look how pretty.
Wow. These are going to be the best pizzas.
They really are.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna sprinkle a little more cheese on top of that.
That's such a good idea.
And I'm gonna use a little mild cheddar or any kind of a cheddar cheese. Oh, just to make that variety look so much nicer and pretty.
Wow, this is
And
so
you can
fun.
even add a little bit more mozza if you want.
Why not?
And do you like black olives on yours?
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
I like to try everything. Why not?
Well, because everything is good. That's why.
Wow.
Colors, Jimmy.
There's so many vegetables, and vegetables are so good for you.
That's right, Jimmy Diamond. You know, pizza is a wonderful choice for a lunch or a dinner because if you're vegetarian, you can make it all vegetables. If you're a meat lover, you can make it all kinds of meats. Or you can have ham and pineapple. The sky's the limit. Even chicken.
So cool. It's like we're doing art, but we can make pizza at the same
That's
time.
right.
So fun. Okay, what's next?
So now our pizzas are all ready for the oven.
Okay.
We already preheated the oven to 425, so I'm gonna slip it in. How about you open the oven for me and I'll place the pizza in.
Sure, yeah.
We're gonna put these in for 20 minutes. Maybe a little less. You just want your adult to check that pizza to be sure it's coming. Because 16 to 20 minutes is usually perfect for a pizza like this.
I'm so excited. Okay, let's put in your pizza too.
Do you want to put mine in too? Okay, here we go.
I'll grab the door.
Oh, look at Jimmy John.
They look so good. Okay, should we use a little bit of magic?
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, I think our pizzas are ready.
They're ready.
I'm so excited. Should we see what they look like? Come on.
I'll get my oven mitts. We want to make sure we use protective mitts so that we don't burn our fingers.
It's always good to be safe. I'll get the door. Wow.
Wow.
Look at those. They're so cool. Look at that pizza. That's gonna be so yummy.
It is. Let's put them over here to cool for about 10 minutes.
Okay. I'll hold the door down so we can get the other one.
Let's see this one.
Wow. Look at all the stuff on the pizza. The olives, the pineapple, the peppers, and all the cheese. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll let that cool down too. Awesome. How long do we cool them down for?
About 10 minutes. We don't want to burn ourselves, and it also just allows them to combine.
Awesome. Okay, let's let them cool down for 10 minutes, then we'll cut a slice for ourselves. I'm so excited to try our pizzas. Let's go. Okay, look at these. Our pizzas are all cooled down. And now we can have a bite. So, what do we need to do now?
Well, now, Jimmy John, we have this fancy tool. It's kind of got a sharp edge, so I let an adult cut your pizza for you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark it like a plus sign.
Oh, cool.
Run it right up, way just like that.
Wow, look at
Yeah.
all the stuff on there.
And then we're going to go across.
This is gonna be so good. Wow, we have all our slices for our
All of
pizza.
our slices.
Now, it's the fun part.
Are we going to taste it?
Let's taste it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one right here.
I think I'm going to eat this one.
Wow, look at that. That looks so good. Should we have a bite?
Have a bite.
Let's do it. Mmm, it's so cheesy.
Oh, that's so good.
These are so good. I think I could eat this whole thing.
Good job.
Thanks,
You did it,
Debbie
Jimmy Don.
Wow, those pizzas were so good. They were so yummy. We put so many things on them, like peppers and olives. And hey, those are all things you can grow in your garden.
The vegetables.
Wow, maybe we can go to your garden one time. Would you like to go to our garden one time? That would be so much fun.
You could come in the spring. We will plant the seeds and watch everything grow.
That would be so cool, but Debbie Dime, I have to go back to the adventure room.
Yes, I know.
I had so much fun today. This was so much fun. We made pizza and it was so good.
Good.
But wait, we should clean up this pizza and I guess we have to take off our aprons.
It's time.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, and we cleaned up all the pizza too.
Everything's done.
Okay, time to go back to the adventure room. Thanks, Debbie Dime.
You're welcome. Bye-bye, Jimmy Dime.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Let's put on our laces. 1, 2, and let's go. Bye, Debbie Dime. Wow, that was so much fun. We made pizza and put a bunch of stuff right on top. I hope you have a pizza soon too. Isn't Debbie Dime the best? Well, that's all, but hopefully we will see you soon. And remember, you can do it. Bye.
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!